never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully.
रॉक गार्डन में एंटर करने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले टिकट काउंटर से टिकट खरीदनी है, ₹30 फॉर द अडल्ट्स एंड ₹10 फॉर द किड्स, और फिर आपको एंट्री गेट से यहाँ से एंटर करना है। दिस गार्डन विल चेंज द वे यू लुक एट द आर्ट. Here you will witness quirky waterfalls, different formations, huge swings, hilarious mirrors, sculptures made out of scrap and waste materials. This garden is divided into 3 phases. Every phase contains something different than other. Starting from the phase 1 of the garden, here you would see gardens, theatres, pathways lined up with walls on each side, giving a spooky feel at times, and about 5,000 pottery cum concrete sculptures are placed in this area, where some have been adorned with the real human hair that he collected from the nearby barber shops. Here comes the one of the most attractive and loved place, that is this waterfall. To see water falling down the pavement of the tiny huts of this surreal village created by Nek Chand is so soothing to the eyes and ears. People get their pictures clicked here, children enjoy the scenery here, and the ambience is so inspiring for any writer or the artist to visit and map their vision on a piece of paper. This garden was made by Nek Chand. He has put his heart and soul into every single thing present here, and he did it all single-handedly. Back in 1957, he used an empty space just outside the city near the Sukhna Lake to house his creations. In 1975, the authorities sent him a notice for illegal possessions of the land, which now had grown to about 12 acres with his installations. They were going to evacuate him till they saw what he was doing. It was then that he received a grant and permission to create his masterpiece, the Kingdom of Sukhna. The kingdom was declared as a public space, and Nek Chand was designated the engineer of the Rockgarden and was also given 50 workers to help him complete his kingdom. Now from here phase 2 will start. The moment you will step here, you will feel that you have entered some small traditional Indian village. It is totally the replica of a same, where little elements were representing huts, temples, pathways, etc. had been beautifully carved here. This place is so captivating that one feels as if one has entered a real village town. If someday you also went, I assure you would feel the same. Everything is marvelous placed and crafted, where shops, courtyards, narrow village roads, etc. forms a natural element of the park itself. Now we are going toward the phase 3. This part is believed to be inspired by the Roman architecture, where you will see aquariums, large pillars, and open amphitheater. Here you can enjoy the aquariums and can get a glimpse of fishes wandering around. Then you will see laughing mirrors. It is a long series of 10 to 11 mirrors, and when you will stand in front of each of them, you will get to see a different distorted shape that ultimately urges you to smile. Don't forget to get yourself clicked with these miniatures and beautiful sculptures to take back some memories along. An imaginary kingdom of the goats made by Nek Chand. He has created an entire city with the king's darbar, the queen's resting place, their bathing quarters, the city well, the workers, the soldiers, the villagers, ladies from the royal family, the animals, and the list goes on. The reason why this place is so extraordinary, so creatively mind-blowing is that the entire kingdom is made with waste products, from broken bangles to chipped saucers, damaged sockets to cycle seats. There was nothing that went waste in Nek Chand's world. Thank you so much guys for joining me, and if you are coming to Chandigarh, and Rockgarden should be in your bucket list because it's worth to visit this place in Rs 30. Thank you and have a good day.